Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to import a CSS file into an EJS project externally. So we have this style.css, we want to place it inside these three pages that are these pages here. And we don't want to do it on inline because of course that is not the right way to maintain our project. So how do we do it? First of all, I want to say that if you want to create an EJS project that works well, you have to create the right folders and to organize the structure of your code in the right way. For example, right now I already have my views folder where there are my four pages as well as partials, which is where I keep the components. Then I created just now the public folder, which right now is empty, but should store one or multiple folders where we keep our static files like CSS or images or JavaScript or other things. So there could be multiple folders inside here as well. Right now we just place our style.css inside here. Okay, so everything is tidy. Right here, if you see, I'm trying to import my my style.css from public, and if you see, it's even referenced well, so the link should work theoretically, but actually it doesn't. I can go to my pages, and as you see, now I don't remember which page is that one, but definitely is not working. The style.css, you can see style.css not found as in the network tab. You can see 404 style.css not found, so things are not working. The reason is that we have to route even the CSS. So we have to come here and create another routes. Here are my routes for basically those 4 pages, 3 pages plus the 404. After the app.listen, and that's important because you need to place it after we are listening, you use app.use because we needed to use it for every case, express.static. And this will handle the static files that we want, and then we define a folder which is public, and this should work. If it doesn't work, I think this works. On my machine it works. We are specifying a relative path in this way. If for some reason it doesn't work, you can try to use path.join and then join their name with the public, and I think it would work as well. It will work as well, but I trust me, even in this way that is simpler, it works. Of course, if you use the path.join, you need to require it, and that's it. Then once we come here and we try to import style.css, you don't need to import it in this way. There is no need to write the public folder. You just need to write it in this way because the public folder is already explicited inside our index.js. So as you can see, this have solved the problem very simply, and pretty much that's what we wanted to see. Thank you very much to have followed my video. Please subscribe to my channel and have a look at my others tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.